Today, we're going to talk about a simple yet incredibly effective way to improve your overall health, walking just 15 minutes per day. You might be thinking, what can just 15 minutes of walking really do for me? Well, let me tell you, it can do wonders. Walking is a low-impact exercise that gets your blood flowing and your body moving. Here are a few ways that just 15 minutes of walking per day can change your body. But before we get right in, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a new video from us. Let's dive in. Number 1. Helps weight loss. First of all, walking can help you lose weight, one of the most popular reasons people start exercising. Walking for just 15 minutes a day may not seem like much, but it can make a real difference when it comes to shedding those unwanted pounds. In fact, walking for just 15 minutes a day can burn around 100 calories. Think about it, if you walk for 15 minutes every day for a year, that's over 36,000 calories burned. Regular exercise like walking can help your body become more efficient at burning calories, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight over time. Number 2. Improves cardiovascular health. Let's talk about your heart, the most important muscle in your body. Taking care of your cardiovascular health is crucial for overall well-being, and walking can be a powerful tool in achieving that. Walking gets your heart rate up, which means your heart is working harder to pump blood and oxygen throughout your body. Over time, this can strengthen your heart and lungs, making them more efficient and resilient. And here's the best part. Regular walking can help lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular problems. According to the American Heart Association, walking for at least 150 minutes per week, which breaks down to just 30 minutes per day, 5 days a week, can lower your risk of heart disease by up to 30%. That's a pretty significant reduction in risk for just a few minutes of walking per day. Number 3. Tones the muscles. Walking engages your leg muscles, your core, and your glutes. When you're walking, your leg muscles are constantly working to propel you forward, while your core muscles help to keep your balance and stabilize your body. And your glutes? Well, they're actually the main muscle group responsible for powering your stride, so walking is a great way to work them too. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's all well and good, but how does walking actually tone your muscles? Well, when you're engaging your muscles through exercise like walking, you're actually causing tiny micro tears in your muscle fibers. Don't worry, this is totally normal. When these tears heal, your muscles become stronger and more toned. So the more you walk, the more you're working your muscles, and the stronger and more toned they'll become over time. And the benefits of walking don't stop there. Did you know that walking can also improve your balance and coordination? As you walk, you're constantly shifting your weight and adjusting your movements to maintain your balance. This helps to improve your overall coordination and can reduce your risk of falls and other injuries, especially as you age. Number 4. Boosts your mood and energy levels. Fourthly, walking can boost your mood. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural feel-good chemicals in your brain. Even just 15 minutes of walking per day can help reduce feelings of stress, anxiety, and depression, and improve your overall mood. It's an easy and accessible way to boost your mental well-being and feel better about yourself. So if you're ever feeling down, stressed, or anxious, why not go for a walk? Not only will it help clear your head, but it'll also give you a natural mood boost that'll make you feel better in no time. And finally, walking can increase your energy levels. When you walk, you're getting oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs, which can give you a natural energy boost. Plus, regular exercise can help you sleep better at night, which can improve your energy levels during the day. So there you have it. Just 15 minutes of walking per day can do wonders for your body and your overall health. It's a simple, low-impact exercise that anyone can do, no matter their fitness level. So why not give it a try? Lace up your shoes and take a walk. Your body will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments, feel free to drop it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Ciao for now.